I give you a tour of what my room looks like at Blue Water Motel in Wildwood Crest, New Jersey. Okay, so we got 2 beds and some stuff. Don't worry about the stuff. We got a TV, DVD player, all that stuff. Don't worry about it. Coffee maker. Ooh, a refrigerator. Ooh, a closet. A bathroom. Even a shower. Oh, this looks like a kitchen. Ooh. Yeah. Awesome room. It almost feels like you're home. Ooh, nice view. Bright day today. Ooh, and the beach.
In 2017 and 2018, Callie J. Thompson went to Wildwood for her vacations, but I have since been banned from there.
Welcome to Dry Dock Motel of Seaside Heights, New Jersey. Here you see the swimming pool rules and regulations. Here is the map of the building. Now we're going to turn over to the room. 2 beds, an air conditioner, nice picture. The light is on, of course, with that little desk. Another picture there, and another bed, big size bed, TV, and a lamp, mirror, all that stuff, the fridge, cabinet, and even a microwave, and some drawers, hanger, or whatever you want to call that. We have the sink. And we have the bathroom. Ooh, the toilet. Ew. There's me recording the video. Wonder what this door would take me to. But we're not going to open it up. We're going to end the video right here.